One of my most favorite rooms to design is the bedroom because it's such a personal space. The way it's designed can actually affect your mood, how you start and end your day. Today, I'm going to give you some helpful advice on how to make your room reflect you and your personality. First of all, we're going to start with the bedroom furniture. Having the right bedroom collection with nightstands and accompanying pieces are essential for styling your room. Bed linens are a great way to add personality. I love layering in comforters and duvets and accent pillows. The next step is identifying where you need lighting. This can be as simple as lamps on a nightstand or a floor lamp in the corner. Layering in additional accent pieces adds character to the room. You can put a rug in the space, add a bench at the bottom of the bed, or a cute little accent chair in the corner. Finally, choosing decorative accents such as pictures of your kids, kind notes, and other personal touches is the final step in making this bedroom reflect you.